I've got the ultimate solution for social media agencies looking to manage all of their clients without getting overwhelmed. And today, I am spilling all of my workflow secrets. Instead of having sticky notes all over your desk, and trust me, we've all been there, start adding your tasks to your workflow manager. Go ahead and open up your ZoomSphere and add all your client requests to your workflow manager. It's the perfect tool to make use of to track everything from your social media posts through to your campaigns. With the assignee feature, you and your team can not only keep track of who's doing what, but also hold each other accountable. You will always know what content needs posting, what tasks are still taking place, as well as what you actually need to do. Instead of always being on your phone trying to figure out which post is meant to go out on which day, at which time, on which platform, utilize ZoomSphere's scheduler and the auto-publish. Create your posts and upload them to the scheduler where you can easily organize and lay out your content for scheduling. Content calendars have never looked better. Once your posts are up and ready for approval from your team members or your clients, pop them through to them on the chat function for a quick thumbs up. This streamlined approval process not only makes sure that everyone is aligned, but it also saves a significant amount of time in terms of going back and forth. So you've got the go-ahead. Your posts are set to publish automatically, and you no longer have to be concerned with checking in when certain things need to go out. It's all automated. Instead of having your clients' documents, brand kits, and requests sprawled out across 6 or 7 different communication platforms, simply create a workspace to keep it all localized. No matter how many clients or brands you work with, through using workspaces, you can make sure that they are always organized. You can set up different spaces for clients, brands, or language variations. Then you can fill them with the specific apps that you'll need for that client to keep everything in their workspace neat and tidy. And it's also important to note that not every workspace will need every single app. So only keep the ones that you use and take it by a case-by-case basis. Instead of having multiple notepads, 6 different notebooks that are all shoved into your bag, and no pen, start using a digital note-taking tool. The first thing people try to do when getting organized is to make to-do lists and notes, right? I know I do. So simply jot down everything and anything you need to write down in the Notes app. From monthly content plans to meeting notes to video scripts, keep all your essential documents at your fingertips. Literally. Additionally, you can even use the comment section to have discussions with team members and clients. Instead of relying on your memory to remember what posts are lined up for the day, which we know has failed us all, simply use the overall dashboard. The overall dashboard feature is perfect for when you're feeling slightly overwhelmed managing all of your different accounts. It gives you a clear view of what posts are lined up, what you're waiting for approval on, as well as anything else that might be on your plate. Instead of using up the storage on your computer, which we know is literally digital gold, switch to using files. If you need a place to store all your work materials, then Files is definitely for you. You can keep everything together in one place, and when I say everything, I mean it. Photos, videos, fonts, brand manuals, and report. Everything. ZoomSphere makes managing multiple clients an absolute breeze. It's been a game changer for me. It's got all you need to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. For more tips and tutorials, don't forget to follow our profile and check out our other videos.